Okay, so today we will start the fundamental unit of life. Actually, what is the life? Actually, you tell me what is the life. So, life means what the things are living, yes or not? So, the things is living means according to the nature, what things are living or what it will means how they will survive. That is the thing they can. I am telling that they are the live things. Okay, so which things they do not have any life particle, that means the living characteristic feature, we are telling this is the non-living things. But being survive inside the environment or in the nature, we have to such characteristics we have to carry. That is why we can tell yes, this is the living things, yes or not? So these the things is known as the cell. According to this chapter, it is known as the fundamental unit of life. That is, according to your chapter name, it is fundamental unit of life. But this fundamental unit of life is actually the cell. Am I clear? Now, what is the cell? See, I have written one question here. The question is arising from the first of this chapter. What is cell? Or just now I said fundamental unit of life. Fundamental means what? Fundamental means which is mandatory and obviously which is basic. Okay. So basic and mandatory. Okay. So this one it is known as the cell. In case of one organism, suppose it is one organism. So here different type of organ system is there. I am comparing it is with a human body. Okay, so inside the human body such organ system also there. Yes, organ system is there. So this organ system it is composed of different type of organ. Suppose if you take example the digestive system. Okay, so digestive system means different type of organ it is there. Suppose your esophagus, suppose your stomach, suppose your gastric gland, that is the stomach, then intestinal gland, small intestine, large intestine, all it is coming to the organ, but together it is forming the organ system. Okay, so from this organ if you break down, then it will come to the tissue. Tissue means such a thing, such obviously it is the structural things or structural whatever you can say that particle of the living beings. Okay, so this is known as the tissue, which actually together it is forming a group and it is helping to form the organ. Okay, then if you break down the tissue, one fundamental unit structure it is coming, that is known as actually the cell. Okay, so here the cell is known as the fundamental and the structural unit. Then why fundamental? I have understood because this cell we cannot break down, this is only the unit structure. Okay, but why it is functional unit? We are telling yes, it is fundamental means structural and both functional. Okay, structural and both functional. Structural means all the organ system. See here I have not written any specific organ system. That means we are having 11 organ system, that is physiological system. So all the organ system, the fundamental or the structural unit is the cell. But why it is functional? All the organ systems, suppose if you take example nervous system, suppose if you take example as the whatever that respiratory system, digestive system, I have given example, so that is why I have not written. Nervous system and the respiratory system, all the system it is composed of different type of organ, then again tissue, then again cell. But why it is functional? The cell structure it is same only, whatever nervous cell having, respiratory cell also it is same structure is having. But why it is functional? Because nervous system or nervous cell always it is giving stimulus and as well as the response. So it is responsible for taking stimulus and responses. But if you take example of the respiratory system, it is not giving any stimulus or responses. Rather, its main function, it is helping in breathing process and as well as the cellular respiration. Am I clear? Cellular respiration. Okay. So these two structure or two structure it is same, but two functions are not same. Okay. So that is why we can tell yes, the cell of all the organ system it is same only, but function is not same. That is why we can tell the structural and the functional unit. From here one question it is arising in my mind only. So once you write down the question, what is the why cell is known as, that is structural and functional unit? This is very common question. Then that time whenever you will be writing this answer, that time you can give the example also.